Okay, let's go on. Let's do quicker thinking eventually. Jeté, assemblé, those brushing steps. But again, because you have to be on your leg, right? So we're going to do and 1, and if this foot's in front, I would look this way, and 2, not diagonal, right? And 3, and 4, and you make a little fondue, and let's do a pas de dessous, back, side, front. So let's go back, side, front, back, side, plié. We'll do it again, right? So this is plié, 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 and push, push, plié, push, push, plié. Then let's go up into a little stretch here. And in the demi-plié, when we stretch like this, you can relax your legs, okay? So you can round your back, drop down, okay? And then you're going to come up. Then you're going to stay in 5th, okay? Because let's do a pirouette from 5th. So when you do that from here, back this way, I have 2 feet, but I'm really thinking left foot, this foot, right? This foot. So I want to think over there, this is back there, and I'm going to go put this front foot's going to go flick like that. That's how you're going to turn. So I want you to concentrate. You're always on one leg, as we've been working, yes? And you're going to push, and then you're going to spot. That's all you have to do. This hand that's been working the bar stays there, even though the arm comes in, but mainly it's what? Toes, eyes, toes, eyes. When you do the pas de bourrée, I want you to think piqué, all right? 1 foot, 1 foot, 1 foot, right? Can you do that? Make 1, 1, so that you travel. Right, right, and then come back to your place at the bar. All right, Melissa's going to show you. Okay, so here we are. You're on your leg, ready for the music. Go. Plié, plié, plié. Now how far can you go? Walk, right, walk, plié. Heel down. And this is push, push, push. Now take a stretch. Up, and okay, now get ready. Do that left toe. You're going to do feet. When you're ready, bing. Up, careful, turn around, go, and this is push, push. Right? Those are piqués. Yeah? Push, push, go. E. And as you get ready for your pirouette, you can relax this here. Okay, now we have to find that right toe, right hip, the right knee. So just easy, focus your eye, and push, right? Once more, and plié. Yes, you can add the relevé, which is good. So this is going to become your assemblé, or your jeté, right? So, and when you stretch now, you can relax, Okay, now we have to find the left toe, left shoulder, left hip. Now you don't relax the plié. Tight, you feel it? Up, right? And you can breathe out, right? And move. And you can open your arms. See how she stretches her arms to move? Go. Yep. Okay. Easy. Okay, now we have to find that right toe, your knee, your hip. Now resist the plié. Stay tight. That's it. Right. Easy. And finish. Rest.